let's see how to make our music player work. We need JavaScript to write functions or activities related to what is written in HTML. From now on, we are going to tell you how to add JavaScript to our website. JavaScript file can be kept separately like CSS file, or we can put a script tag and keep it inside the HTML. In this activity, let's write inside the HTML. For that, click Enter next to the footer tag inside the body and add a script, open angle bracket, script, close angle bracket. Now go to our previous preview window and click on the play image and nothing happens. This is because we haven't added any function yet, right? Now we need to write that when you click once, the sound will play, and when you click again, the sound will stop. Now come back to the page with the code. We previously put a tag called audio. Now we need to create the element of this tag. After that, you want to say what should happen to the element. Will you play it or pause it? But this should happen when the button is clicked. That means we need an event. An event means that when something is done, another place is notified. Now we need one button audio, images, events and functions. Document.getElement BYLD bracket method is used in JavaScript to find the element of a tag. You can give the ID of the element you want to identify inside these brackets. We need to remember the identified element somewhere. For that, we use variables. So let's write now to remember the audio in the variable called songs. It is a variable. I give it as var. After that, the name of the variable is given as song. Now apply the equal sign, and on the right side of the equal sign, it is given as document.getElement byd open bracket double quotation song close bracket semicolon inside it. Now let's store the image and the variable. I gave as var icon equal document.getElement byd open bracket double quotation icon close bracket semicolon inside it from the 30th line. Now the images and the songs taken from the asset section are stored in two variables. Now let's write what should happen to those two. That means let's add functionality to the play button. We want to say that if the audio is stopped, it means that if it is played, it should be paused, and if it is paused, it should be played. Let's write that now. But how to write it? Let's click the enter like this and start from line 32. Then our event will be when the button is clicked. We give it as icon.onClick equal function open bracket close bracket open curly brackets. Now click enter. Now let's write the function inside the open and close curly brackets. If the song is stopped, play it. If the song is paused, it is typed between the open angle bracket and the close bracket. Again, open curly brackets and click enter. Let's write what should happen in the open and close curly brackets. Let's write to play. It is given as song.play open and close bracket semicolon and enter. Now let's add the image that should appear when playing. Icon.src equal double quotation. Click on the asset in the left side panel. Click on play.png from the images and click on copy URL. Now click the close button and come back to the index.html section and paste the copied URL in the double quotation with Ctrl V. Now let's see how to write it. We use the else condition for that. Next to the close curly brackets, else open curly bracket. Now click enter. Write what needs to be inside and close the curly brackets. Type as song.pose open and close brackets semicolon and enter. Let's add the image you want to appear when paused. Icon.src equals double quotation. Inside it, click on the asset in the panel left side. Click on pause.png from the images and click on copy URL. Now click the close button and come back to the index.html section and paste the copied URL in the double quotation with Ctrl V. Next, we go back to the preview pane and refresh this. Now let's play our music player and see. If there is an output like this, You little ones are very talented. To see the creation you made, WhatsApp it to the phone number note 7681252244. Tell your friends about the creation as well. Send it to me and also send it to your friends to see this app. And one more thing, you too can now join the DP Coding School Telegram group and try to be the DP Code Champ Best of the Week once every week. For that, keep in touch with us. And one more thing, join our DP Coding Club and now you can start a DP Coding Club in your school as well. We are ready to give you all the guidance for that. If you want to start a DP Coding Club in any school where computer labs are available, make a request to the principal of your school to the email address info@dpcc.lk. So let's meet with another interesting lesson through DP Coding School. Have a nice day.